Welcome guys! Today you will see the combination of fractal and moving average which works positively and will bring you profit in most cases. You should know that in order to work more effectively, follow the instructions exactly as shown. And before we start, don't forget to like and share so that more people can see this video, and it also motivates us to post more often. So let's get started. First of all, what we do is to put 2-minute candles. I will explain why we put in during the video. Then we set the fractal indicator to period 3 to have a faster reaction in different directions of the candles. The next indicator is moving average, for which we set the period to 5. We set the moving average again. This time period will be 2, as well as change the color and thicken the line as the crossing points become more visible. And we even set the moving average to 100 this time to see a clear picture of how the trend or direction is going. So continue watching the video for more details, please. Here comes one of the good moments when the fractal indicator gives us a sign that the candles are going from top to bottom. Observe the intersection of moving average indicators with each other. So this is one of the clearest pictures that the trend will continue in a downward direction for at least 1 minute. This is one moment when you can enter the market. In this video I will explain some of the moments when you can perform the same actions but in different positions. One of the main factors is not to rush, because speed is disastrous for your capital. So as you can see, the right entry and win was not delayed. Now find other positions where we can trade. Here is one of the good moments, and I will explain why it's good now. I will place all my money first, because I think 99% will go down the trend in at least 1 minute interval. First look at moving average 100 periods. Is a neutral situation with the moving average, the other 2 indicators running down, of course, after crossing. You also see the fractal indicator signal from the top to bottom. So this reminds us this is one of the best moments. And we have one, of course. But remember, whenever moving average lines cross each other and the fractal signal points in the same direction, the faster you bet, more chances you have of winning, because the longer we are late, the trend may change against us. So there is no complete accuracy here. Now I'm looking for a moment where I will show you a more accurate entry points. I will try to find such a moment just in case. Moving average lines should intersect. That's on left. The moving average 100 period indicator also shows the trend above, as well as the fractal indicator is above. Wait just for a little bit, and I mistakenly bet down. This is one of the very bad mistakes. Of course, here is a great chance to lose money, and of course the method paid off again, and I lost 150 due to a mistake. Again, a good moment, and I will not switch to another currency because here too I think I will win. It is a more accurate moment because the moving average indicators directly intersect. We also have the fractal signal. There is the moment I was telling you when I was saying that the earlier you go, the more chances to have of winning, because we have now entered the beginning of the signal, and here I am almost 100% sure of the profit. Here are 7 seconds left, and again winning. Of course the method won.